Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast easy without vanilla extract. Start by whisking together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and a generous pinch of ground cinnamon in a shallow dish. This simple mixture forms the heart of our delicious French toast. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Having your ingredients ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, take each slice of bread and quickly dip it into the egg mixture. The key is to coat both sides thoroughly without letting the bread become oversaturated. A quick 5-second dip per side is perfect for optimal absorption. This ensures your French toast will be golden brown and delightfully custardy inside, not mushy. Carefully place your dipped bread slices into the warm, buttered skillet. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Keep an eye on the heat. You want a gentle sizzle, not a frantic burn. This step is where the magic happens, transforming simple bread into a delightful treat. Once your French toast is perfectly golden, transfer it to a plate. Serve it warm with your favorite toppings. A drizzle of maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a light dusting of powdered sugar are always fantastic choices. This simple, comforting dish is ready to be savored, proving that you don't need vanilla extract for incredible flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.